Morning, Kluters. I have no idea why I was... It's just an old 1940s saying. Tonight we're gonna draw Patrick Starr's grandfather, Grandpat Seastar. Getting started, we start by drawing his eyebrows. Basically, getting started, Grandpat Seastar is a starfish, only his body design is kind of middle-aged, but he's still a spry looking star. Here's his cane. There we are. There we are. There he is. That's how you draw Grandpat Seastar. I hope we get to meet him in SpongeBob SquarePants. That would be an awesome idea. Anyhow, that's all for now, guys. Stegosaurus, see you later. This one's for my grandfather.